Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Conversation 1. Preposition at. Exact time. What time does the bus arrive?
It arrives at 8:30 every morning.
Oh, good. I need to be at school at 9.
Same here. I always leave home at 8.
I usually wake up at 7, but today I woke up late.
Don't worry. The bus will come at 8:30 like always.
After school, do you want to meet at the park at 4?
Sure. I will be there at exactly 4.
Conversation 2. Preposition on, days and dates. What are you doing on Monday?
I have English class on Monday morning.
How about on Wednesday?
I'm free on Wednesday.
Great. Let's have lunch on Wednesday.
Perfect. Oh, and my birthday is on July 14th.
Nice. We should celebrate on that day.
Yes, and I have a family trip planned on Saturday.
Then maybe we can meet on Sunday instead. Conversation 3. Preposition in for months or seasons or years or parts of the day. Ben, what do you want to do in the future?
I really want to travel in the summer. I love warm weather.
Same here. I'm planning a trip in August. Maybe we can go somewhere together.
That would be great. I'll finally have more free time. I finished school in 2023.
Lucky you. I still study in the evening, but I'm more energetic in the morning.
I get that. In the winter, I usually stay home and read because it's too cold outside.
And in the spring, I like going to the beach or taking long walks. Maybe we can plan something then, too. Conversation 4. Preposition since.
How long have you lived in this city?
I have lived here since 2020.
Oh, that's a few years. I've lived here since last year.
Really? That's great. Have you made many friends since you moved?
Yes, I've met some good friends since I started working at the school.
That's nice. I've known Emma since we were children, so she helps me a lot.
Sounds helpful. I've had my dog since last summer, so he keeps me busy.
I understand. Life has changed a lot since we moved here, hasn't it?
Conversation 5. Preposition for duration.
How long have you studied English?
I've studied English for 2 years.
That's great. I have studied it for 6 months.
I read every day for 1 hour.
I practice speaking for 20 minutes each night.
I also watch English movies for 2 hours on weekends.
Me too. I learn a lot for a long time this way.
Conversation 6. Prepositions. Until or till. End time.
Can you stay until 5 p.m. today? Sure, I can stay till 5 p.m. I need to finish a report until tomorrow morning. No problem. I will help until the work is done. Thank you. We only need 2 more hours. I can continue until you are satisfied. Perfect. I will work with you until the last minute if needed.
Conversation 7. Prepositions. By. Deadline.
Please finish your homework by Friday.
Can I give it to you by Thursday instead?
Yes, Thursday is fine. Just complete it by the end of the week.
I'll try to finish it by tonight.
Great job, Chris.
I want to finish early by Wednesday so I can play soccer.
That's a good idea. Always plan by the deadlines.